Hi guys, it's Trish back with another video. Today we're going to make a fun purse charm. It's going to be for fall. We're going to use these fall leaves from Dress It Up buttons. We're going to use some head pins and eye pins and some 10mm jump rings, some chain and some key rings and the pastel glass bead mix from Jesse James Beads. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our chain. I like this one because it has the circles in it that you can put the jump rings through. And I'm going to take the jump ring off the end and I'm going to count 5 links and trim that there. And then we're just going to grab one of our 10mm jump rings and we're going to open that up. And we're going to hook the chain onto the jump ring. And then we're going to hook that on to the key ring. And then close our jump ring. And that's what you have. So once that's done, then we're going to start taking our beads and our one-step looper, and we're going to start making bead dangles. And I'm just basically going to pick out a few that I like. I'm going to put them on the head pins. And then we're just going to put those on the head pins, like I said, and then use the one-step looper to make a loop on the end of that one. And then I'm just going to pick up another head pin and do the same thing. Now I made 5 bead dangles for the bottom, and then I made 2 more bead dangles for the top ring up there. I added some leaves and some dangles toward the end when it was finished in that ring. It just looked a lot nicer. And now we're going to start adding our leaves. We're just going to put them on the jump rings and hook them into the loops for the keychain on the chain part. And we're going to put a bead on one side and a leaf on the other side, moving down the chain. And here is our finished purse charm. I think she came out really cute. You could add more leaves or anything else you would like, charms, anything to this to make it look really pretty for the fall season. I hope you enjoyed this one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.